Hey Monad devs, this is Marcus. I'm a dev rel at Edge and Node, working on building the graph every day. So, built this little repo for you guys to get going, indexing your Monad smart contracts really fast. And if you guys don't know about the graph, essentially it's decentralized indexing and querying. And there's no vendor lock-in, highly customizable APIs, which are subgraphs. And we're going to go through essentially building a little baby subgraph here in this repo, and it points to a Monad smart contract. And it's really nice because it's super customizable and very much performant and has it's a competitive marketplace essentially for your queries when you publish your subgraph to the Graph Network. So if you want a more detailed presentation, I recorded a video in the repository, and there's also slides if you want more details on this, but essentially jump right in indexing your data. And so just run through this real quick. Essentially, you're getting started in this local environment and then understanding what it's like to go to thegraph.com and Studio. And this is your development environment here that allows for iteration on your subgraphs, and it's free, and you're able to tinker and see what it's like to go ahead and index in a really customizable way. So yeah, you'll create a subgraph and go through this flow. I published a little baby subgraph right here that is actually this subgraph for the sake of the presentation. And this pretty much goes through what I did. And just to learn, I indexed this smart contract right here. I started at start block 9,000 or whatever, 900,000, just because I didn't want to go all the way to the beginning. But the start block generally you want to have at the moment of the contract's deployment and then index all that data. And yeah, this essentially shows you what I did and how I went through all of this. And so if there's any questions, feel free to reach out. This is a basic subgraph. We can actually see where this subgraph is on the Graph Network. When you develop, it's a private dev environment in Subgraph Studio, but when you publish it, it goes to the Graph Network. And now this is open data, and we're actually able to see, hey, this is, actually here in public, which is pretty dang cool. So that is all really I wanted to do with this to get you guys started. You can build your own, I think, after getting started with this workshop and understanding. If you have any questions, I'm on Twitter. My name is Marcus underscore Rain, REIN underscore. You could find me there. And for more advanced features, let's say you're building a DEX. Let's say you really want to dive into more customizable things beyond just relationships, beyond just database management. I would look at time series data. I would look at derived field. That's really good for relationships. Performance optimizations and really making sure your subgraph is really optimized. That's really nice. And yeah, check out the example subgraphs repository for more advanced uses. Quick start videos, tutorials, advanced topics, and these best practices. I wrote these basically making your subgraphs. You're building something that's based on speed, and so making sure they're optimized is critical. So just understanding best practices is really nice too. So hopefully this is enough. Well, it's a lot of information to get you started. Just get familiar, just understand as best you can, and see what it's like to really get close to the event data from your smart contracts and get that into your front end in a super performant, super customizable way. And then decentralize that pipeline, which really does a very good job making sure that it's fast, redundant, and has really good competitive performance. Because essentially, when you have decentralized indexers going after your data and indexing it, they're all competing for you guys. So, anyways, that's Marcus, and happy indexing on Monad. Take care.